Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you how to remove pop-up ads on Android phone. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to remove the pop-ups or the pop-up ads that you are getting on your Android phone here, well, there are a few things that you may want to check. Well, the first thing that you may want to check here is going to be your browser. Now, if you're not aware yet, sometimes you may have allowed certain permissions on your phone here, so that's why you may be getting those weird pop-ups or ads on your notifications. So if you scroll down, you should see some form of let's just say ads. Now, to turn that off, you need to visit your browser. Now, your browser, it's kind of weird. So in some cases, websites would have access to your notifications via your browser. So sometimes disabling those websites from sending notification is the best start here. So you want to open up your browser. So specifically, I'm using Google Chrome. But if you're using a different browser, don't worry. Steps are pretty much the same thing. You may need to look for some similar settings instead. But yeah, so at the top right, you want to go and click on the three bar icon and you want to go and click on settings. Now, inside your settings, you want to go and scroll down a bit here, and you want to look for site settings. Now, in here, you want to go and choose notifications. Now, from here, you could go and just scroll down a bit here and look for the notifications or the website that has, or the websites that has access on your notifications. Now, for example, I have Facebook in here, and if you notice one of the websites here that you didn't actually gave access, you could go and just click on the three-dotted option at the right side of that website and just make sure to turn it off. So you should see show notifications option here. Make sure that that is turned off, like what you are seeing on my screen. Now, once you've done that, you want to go and exit your browser, restart your browser, and see if that actually helps. Now, the next thing that you may want to check here is going to be the apps that is installed inside your phone. Now, in this case, some apps or certain apps here that you install, so especially on some game or apps that are for gaming specifically, sometimes they would contain certain ads. So sometimes checking or double checking those apps is a great way for you to avoid those ads. So in this case, you want to go ahead and just access your settings, and under your settings, you want to go ahead and look for the app section. And basically, you want to go and just visit or scroll through the app list here. And if you do see any apps that you're not using, so sometimes this is kind of weird. Depending on your phone, sometimes some apps will be automatically installed. So uninstall any apps that you don't recognize or you don't use. And sometimes notifications would actually be removed. Now, another thing that you may want to do, just in case you're not sure what app you're specifically looking for, well, what you need to do is you want to go and just visit your notifications, look for the notification that actually gave you the ad, and you want to go and just press and hold on that notification, and you should get this pop-up here. Now, it will show you the settings for it, and also the name of the app, and also if you want to turn off notifications for that specific app. Now, if you want to just turn off the notifications for it, you can go and just click on turn off, but if you want to access more settings, you go and click on more, and see more details about the app, as you can see right now. You can even see the actual name of the app here, so you can go and go back and basically uninstall that. Now, in some cases, some phones would actually have admin privileges inside your phone, and that would prevent you from uninstalling the actual app. Now, if that's the case for you, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and look for a very specific setting here. It's going to be under privacy. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and look for the option for admin. So in this case, just scroll down a bit in here. So if you don't see admin access in here, what I will highly recommend you is you want to go and just use the search bar at the very top. This is going to be a lot easier since different phones have different settings or formats or settings how they are actually arranged. Sometimes it's going to be under the settings section, but sometimes it's going to be under privacy, so it's kind of weird. But yeah, so you want to access device admin here, and it's inside device admin, you want to go and click on device admin, and just make sure that you turn off the setting that you want to, or the device admin permission here on that app that you want to uninstall. So you want to go and just select the actual app and just basically click on the deactivate this device admin app. Now, once you've done that, you go and just go back into your apps and uninstall that app so that you won't receive any notifications or ads from that specific app. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.